Hello everyone, I Dr. Tanuja Kumari welcome all of you in my YouTube channel. Today I will be discussing about the global order, how it existed and also the importance of the global order and the changes which has been observed in it with the changing times. The topic of my today's video is global order is history and paradigm shift. If we discuss about global order or world order, it had existed since the existence of humankind and history itself. When we discuss about global order, it describes the distribution of power among the world powers and the shifting of the global order which had existed since the prehistoric times. Now, if we want to discuss about the origin of the global order, that how it came into existence, firstly, I would like to state here that the origin of the global order and history, these two are correlated with each other, and I would like to state here that with the starting of history itself or the existence of the humankind itself, we find the origin of the global order all around the world. Next factor which led to the growth of the or the origin of the global order is that of the globalization. However, the globalization is a new term, but it had existed earlier also, as globalization is about the opening of the one country or one place to other countries also. So with the globalization, we can state here that the global order had come into existence. However, if we go into the history of the global order or its existence, it has existed since the Upper Paleolithic age, as it is related to politics as a realm of relations connected with the distribution of power which had emerged right then. If we discuss about the Upper Paleolithic age, it had brought about changes in the humankind itself, and with the coming of the New Lithic age after this, we find that the human had started living in the sheltered places and they had become the food growers also. So we find here that the changes in the global order can be observed since then. However, in Indian pretext, the global order came into existence in the true sense after the 3rd millennium BC or since 3rd millennium BC, and with the establishment of the Mauryan Empire, the global order for India had started with the rise and fall of the Babylonian and the Assyrian kingdoms and the clashes which we find of these civilizations with other civilizations also, it had largely impacted the global order and its origin also. And with the establishment of the new kingdom of Egypt and the Hittite Empire, the global order had its origin and it began from here. However, if we discuss about the changes in the global order, we find that with the changes of the dynamics of the global politics, it has been changing and it has brought about changes in the global order. However, for bringing about the changes in the global order, the First World War was closely related to it. As we all know, after the First World War, Germany was defeated and it brought about changes in the balance of the powers between the countries, and it had affected the international relations between the countries. After the Paris Peace Conference, which was held after the end of the First World War, in this many of the big powers they had played a major role, and many of the smaller countries they had gained freedom. Many of the countries had gained freedom from colonialism. So the Paris Peace Conference was one of the chief factors, I would rather state here, that it had brought changes in the global order. The Paris Peace Conference was brought about for the establishment of peace around the world. However, we find that it had changed, or we can rather say that it has brought changes in the balance of the power. With the establishment of the League of Nations, it was clear that the powers of the world were edging towards the establishment of equal status to every country. Undoubtedly, the geological factor that laid the basis for such order, comprising multiple states and various other powers, had also brought about a change in the balance of the power. The concert of the Europe and the Second World War has majorly changed the global order in the true sense, and after the Second World War, we can rather state here that major changes were brought about in the global order. And with the establishment of the United Nations organizations, since then the world has headed towards the Cold War. United Nations organizations had always strived for the establishment of the peace of the organization However, with the establishment of the, or we can say with the beginning of the Cold War and the end of the Cold War after the 1990s, we can state here that it has brought about changes in the global order. The balance of the power headed towards the bipolarity, and the world actually seemed to be divided into two blocks, of regarding which I would be discussing in the next slide. After the United Nations organizations, I find that the other organizations such as the WTO, that is the World Trade Organization, then GATT, that is the General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade, then IMF, that is International Monetary Fund, then United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, that is UNCTAD, and G20, of which India is also one of the members, we can find that it has brought about implications on the current global existing order. Next, I would like to state here that the global order and the changes in the global order has brought about or has impacted the world. As I said earlier also, I would be talking about the bipolar world, or the division of the world into the two blocks, in which USA was one of the powers and the USSR was another. In this we find that USA and USSR both were the major powers, and it had brought about the division of the whole world into two blocks. But after this we find changes in the global order, and it has rather shifted towards the unipolar world, in which we find that USA has emerged as one of the superpowers. The global order observes implications of changing global power dynamics and has impacted new technologies, the governance institutions, and also the international cooperation. So with the coming of the existence of the unipolar world, we can state here that it has brought about changes in the global order and has its impacts also. However, when we discuss further about the relations between the countries, we find that the MFN, that is the most favored nation, and the Brexit, in which UAK is gradually exiting from that of the European Union, it will for sure change the dynamics of the global order amongst the European countries. If we further discuss about the changes in the global order and how it has impacted the whole world, we find here that it has brought about the changes in the trade relations after the 2008 financial crisis, in which demand for advanced financial market and also liberal economic structure has majorly changed the global order. The emerging markets systematically is important in the trade, commerce, and for the finances. One of the major changes of the global order and its impact, we find that it has also impacted the gender issues also. Another factor which it has impacted is that of the globalization, as we find that many of the countries are open to many countries or the other countries regarding the trade relations, and every country is trying to better their relations with other countries for gaining the trade prospects. It has also impacted the social and the political integration of the countries, and it has impacted the global order also. It has created, I suppose here, that the global power structures and related to it, it has brought about the changes in the global order, and we can state here that the changes in the global power structures will also impact the international relations in the future. However, for the geopolitical relations, we can say that the geopolitical relations is also one of the major factors which we find that it has been largely impacted, and it will also impact the whole world in the due course. Next, I would like to conclude my video of this on global order is that the global order is a changing one, and it is dynamic, and every day we find changes in the global order, especially in this contemporary world. Next, I would like to state here that the global order is not permanent, it is always shifting. It has also brought a largely impact on the international relations amongst the countries, as we find in the contemporary world that the global order is changing rapidly, and it has impacted the international relations. The global order and its changes has also brought about the changes in the geopolitical order of the countries. We can also state here that the dynamics of the global order has changed considerably, and it has also brought about changes in the establishment of freedom and also the relations regarding to trade all around the world. Another major factor we find regarding the global order and its changes is that it has brought about changes in the liberalization and also in globalization. Another factor which we find here is that the global order and the changes in the global order has created or advanced the financial markets. We find that the financial markets which has developed in the current scenario, the many countries has brought about changes in the trade, in their trade policies also, and it has opened the floodgates for the creation of the new financial markets. And for sure it can be stated here that with the advanced financial markets, it will rather in the coming future also, it will largely impact the global order and the international relations amongst the countries. Lastly, I would like to state here that the COVID-19 has also impacted the global order. It can be observed here that a pandemic also can also impact or can brought about changes in the global order. As we all know that China has been one of the major factors right now in bringing about the changes in the global order. As we all know, the pandemic of the COVID-19 had originated from China itself, and rightly we find that against China, India, USA, Australia, Japan, all these countries are working and making sure that the products of the China and many of their apps also is not used in any country. So we can find here that how pandemics also can change or bring about changes in the global order. With this, I come to the end of my video. Thank you for staying connected with me. If you like my video, please do like it, share it, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.